this video is going to be a little bit different because we didn't have anything to film and we were pretty busy. So we're going to just do a little walk around of the car and kind of explain some of the things I did to it so far. So probably the most noticeable thing is the wheels. I got them really cheap off of a guy that had them for sale for $100, and it had all the sensors and everything in. They're 17, so they're a little bit smaller than the factory premiums that were on it. And then I painted the brake calipers blue while I had them off. So that's why those are on there. We'll do like the outside of the car. So we got the carbon fiber, real carbon fiber vent things here. Got them on eBay for like $25 or something, pretty cheap. They just stick on the window. Then we got the tinted taillights. They're really black. Don't suggest doing them that black because nobody can see you. But it looks good. We got dual tips down there. And I guess I'll explain the whole exhaust since we're there. We did, there's a catless downpipe, resonator delete, and muffler delete, and then just the tips here that I got off a friend. And that's pretty much it for the exhaust. Pretty much it for the outside, I think. It was coated in ceramic coating, and it's a little dusty, it just needs washed off. And what we do under the hood, and then we'll do the inside. So under the hood, down at the very bottom in the back, we have I think it's an 88 durometer rear motor mount. We have the grill. We grinded out the back side of the grill so you can get maximum airflow in there. You can see the crash bar behind it. And then in the very bottom down here, we cut out the little insert that was there. We took out the active shutters so that it can cool down the intercooler and everything as much as possible, as quickly as possible. What else we got? We got a short shifter arm, and I forget what brand that was. The downpipes Megan Racing. I don't know what brand the rear motor mount is. We got this cheap eBay oil catch can here, and I did some modifications to it, which is in a YouTube video. I didn't put a video putting this on. It's a one-way valve, so when it builds pressure, it stops from putting pressure back into here, so we don't have any boost leaks. I painted this blue to match. It matches the dash blue, same color, and it kind of goes with the color of the car. I'd like to get a blue air filter just to match, but someday. We removed the airbox lid and put that AEM dry flow air filter on. And I think that's everything we did under the hood. So now we'll go to the inside. So inside here we got, I mean, it's pretty obvious what we got. We took out all the dash pieces and unscrewed all this stuff, came off. These I had to tape off myself. These I had to tape off. And then painted this little piece down here, this whole piece blue. And then the side pieces blue. And then we have under dash blue LED lights. That one needs fixed. This one works. But it's hard to see in the daytime. And then we got the Momo Gotham steering wheel with the cheap eBay quick release. That was also in another video. I think that's pretty much it. And these washed and vacuumed and scrubbed and cleaned before we go to the car show. Oh yeah, we can't forget the, oh, there's two more things. We can't forget the shift knob, which is a, it's from Wish. It was like $4. It's a Mugen shift knob. So that kind of matches paint, but not really. Everything's a little bit different color blue. This matches the blue pretty well. And then we got one more thing, is the subs. I can't have them flip the other way because the corners don't fit inside the box, so maybe sometime today or in the next couple days I gotta grind that out, and so I can flip them inside out. Only this sub is hooked in. This one is blown up and the wires are broke off, so that one's not hooked up at all. It's pretty loud. It's ported on the side. The amp's back there. It's an 1800 watt RMS audio pipe amp. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Can you think of anything else? And you can't forget the stickers. Best part is the stickers. So yeah, I think that would probably be it for this video episode of Spooled Up Garage. So yeah, well, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next one. And this is going to be awkward, so you should start recording.